Welcome. In front of me is a CHUWI HiPad X, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this tablet. So anyway, to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'm just going to use the home screen as an example for this. And once the content is open and visible, hold power key and volume down at the same time. As you will see, there's going to be like a pop-up of your captured screenshot along with the sound for it, and from there you can find your screenshot in your Photos application. There we go. So there is the screenshot. So anyway, that is how you can capture your screenshot and also where you can find it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.